a flash of iridescent green, a blur of motion. A hummingbird zips past. These tiny dynamos are a marvel of the natural world. Found only in the Americas, hummingbirds are instantly recognizable for their unique abilities and dazzling appearance. Their diminutive size and energetic nature make them a joy to observe. Watching a hummingbird hover mid-air, a tiny helicopter adorned with shimmering feathers, is a truly captivating experience. Hummingbirds are the smallest of all birds, with some species measuring just a few inches in length. The aptly named bee hummingbird, barely larger than a bumblebee, holds the record for the tiniest bird in the world. Weighing less than a penny, it is a marvel of nature's design. Despite their diminutive size, these aerial acrobats possess incredible flying skills. They can hover in place, dart swiftly from flower to flower, and perform complex aerial maneuvers with ease. Their wings, beating up to 80 times per second, produce a distinctive humming sound, giving them their name. This rapid wing beat is not just for show, it allows them to remain stationary in mid-air. This rapid wing beat allows for extraordinary aerial agility. They can change direction in an instant, making them one of the most agile birds in the animal kingdom. Hummingbirds can fly forwards, backwards, sideways, and even upside down, making them masters of aerial maneuverability. Their unique flight capabilities are a result of their specialized wing structure and powerful muscles. Hummingbirds are nectarivores, their diet primarily consisting of the sugary nectar produced by flowers. This nectar provides them with the energy they need for their incredibly fast wing beats and high metabolism. With long, slender beaks and specially adapted tongues, they extract nectar from deep within the flower. Their tongues are uniquely designed with tiny hair-like structures that help them lap up the nectar efficiently. As they flit from flower to flower, sipping nectar, they play a crucial role in pollination. This movement is not just about feeding, it's a vital process that helps in the reproduction of many flowering plants. Their bodies brush against the flower's reproductive parts, transferring pollen and facilitating plant reproduction. This ensures genetic diversity and the survival of various plant species. This mutually beneficial relationship highlights the crucial role hummingbirds play in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Without them, many plants would struggle to reproduce, leading to a decline in biodiversity. Over 300 species of hummingbirds grace the Americas, each with its unique charm. These tiny birds are a marvel of nature, showcasing an incredible range of sizes, colors, and behaviors. From the ruby-throated hummingbird of North America to the magnificent Andean swordbill with its incredibly long beak, the diversity is astounding. Each species has adapted uniquely to its environment, making them fascinating subjects for study. Their plumage is a dazzling spectacle of iridescent colors. These colors are not just for beauty, they serve various purposes, including camouflage and attracting mates. The way their feathers reflect light creates shimmering, jewel-toned hues that shift and change depending on the angle. This optical phenomenon is due to the microscopic structure of their feathers. This dazzling display is not just for show, it plays a vital role in communication, courtship, and species recognition. Hummingbirds use their vibrant plumage to signal to potential mates and to establish territory.